Another demo now from Thomson, joined here by Jeff Land. Jeff, hi, thanks for this. A couple of things to show us here with your Thomson gateway. Just tell us what we're going to see.
Okay, so here today we're showing basically two very simple demonstrations that prove two underlying technologies. The first one is DLNA. The gateway is DLNA compliant, and we'll be demonstrating a very simple media streaming application. The second underlying technology is that of OSGI. Now, OSGI is a modular framework for Java applications, and on the gateway we have a small Java applet running that is controlling a power system, and the demonstration is simply switching lights on and off. Both of these demonstrations are controlled over 3G from a mobile handset.
Okay, excellent. Let's have a look at the music application then.
Okay, so what we're seeing here on the handset is a small view of the portal. On the handset, all we have is the Nokia browser, no special clients or anything. Everything is hosted on the gateway. That's kind of a subset of the DLNA scenario. So we simply press the icon, and we get a second view, which is a really simplified music player. Press play, and we hear music start. Okay, we get the opportunity to skip to the next track. And you could conceive of an idea where you have these all around your home, so basically using the handset as a control point, you take your music wherever you are in the home.
Okay, so that's the music application we've seen. Now you're going to show us an example of turning the lights on. Okay,
and of course it's not just a simple case of switching the lights on. There's this underlying OSGI technology, so the drivers are hosted by the gateway. And it's a very simple demo where I press on the light here, and the light comes on. Press the button again, and the light goes off. So that's
great. And what are the other sort of applications that you could use using that Java technology in the Femtocell?
Essentially, as broad as your imagination. The concept from Thomson's perspective is to make this an open services platform, and already we're engaged with a number of third-party software developers to offer us new services that can be hosted by the gateway.
And what do you make of the Femto Forum's most recent efforts creating a special interest group around applications development? Do you think there's a need for sort of more creative thinking in this area?
Yeah, we believe so. For us in Thomson, we think the Femto access point is kind of a given, and so there needs to be more in line with a sort of a quad play approach to the gateway, and what other things can be added on top. And I think this environment, this showcase arena is a really positive step.
Excellent. And in terms of sales or trials, is there anything you can tell us about Thomson's activity at the moment?
Nothing official. Suffice to say, we are very active, but there's nothing I can tell you directly, unfortunately.
And if there was a market where you would say in Western Europe where you would expect to go first, Thomson or not Thomson, what would you say that would be?
Well, before this morning, I would probably have said Italy or maybe even Germany, but we heard this morning from Vodafone that they plan to launch in the UK, which for the whole industry I think is a really positive thing. It needed some momentum, some catalyst to get us all started, and I think it's very positive.
Great, thank you.